Hello everyone, welcome back to MathLAB programming course. There are occasions that we need to find the value of a function for different values of parameters. For example, you have a sign and you wanted to know the value when you pass multiple inputs to that. In this small project, we're going to develop an algorithm that can return the value of a polynomial based on different values that we introduce as input. Since we learned how to work with functions, I'm going to use that. As we learned, we open script and we begin by function. For the output name, I select output equals polynomial because I need to find the value for polynomial. What is the variables or parameters that I use? There is only one, and it's going to be x. In next line, I would create the output. So the output equals, let's create a random polynomial, x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 123. I just randomly created a polynomial. Please note that if you want to find the value of such a big polynomial, it's going to be very hard or time consuming. Therefore, this is one of the benefits of knowing MATLAB, that you can write a small script that can solve that for you. In next line, we end up our function. That's it. We created a small script, a small function that not only is able to calculate the value for x, but also you can pass any input to that for the desired results. Let's save our work. I choose the word poly and save it. That's it. Let's test our work. If I type poly 1, MATLAB returns it. How about poly 234? As you see, calculating this by hand or even calculator is very time consuming and prone to mistakes. But with one line code, we could just do it easily using functions. We've accomplished our task, but let's make it more efficient. I can now put dots in front of x to make the functionality for vectors and matrices as well. If you remember, when we put dot before an operation, that expands that function for matrices and vectors. So let's save it. Now I can type poly 1, 2, and MATLAB calculates both values at the same time. I can even go further. Poly 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you see, MATLAB has no problem calculating all these data simultaneously. Thank you very much and see you in next video.